Hi guys, long time no see. I got a haircut. I got a pixie cut. This was in my bucket list. I always wanted to see how I looked with such short hair like a pixie cut. I've always seen women, every time I've seen women with a pixie cut, it's always been intriguing to me. It's something really interesting that I wanted to try at least once in my lifetime, and so this is it. For the past like 2 weeks, it's almost going on 3 weeks with this haircut, and I've noticed my hair has grown a bit, but yeah, my hair is growing pretty fast. And I can understand now, like, people that want to keep a pixie have to go like every month to get it trimmed, but not me. I'm really happy with this experience, and I'm really looking forward to seeing, the process of seeing my hair grow back. And like I said, I've noticed my hair has grown a little bit in the past 2 weeks that I've had the haircut. But yeah, it's all really interesting. For example, like this, it's like laid down like straight, which is really weird because with long hair, my hair is curly, but my hair looks straight. Like, yeah. When it's like this short, it's like straight. It almost looks as if I had relaxed hair, but this is not relaxed. This is like natural curls that I've cut curly. And yeah, up here is a little bit longer so you can see the curls up here, but the sides and the back, let me show you the back. Yeah, so it's all really interesting to me, just learning the texture of my hair and how it works with small like pixie cut like this. Yeah, it's really different. I've tried to, see videos here on YouTube. There's not a lot of people with like similar hair texture as myself with, this short haircut. So yeah, I figured, I would get here and show you guys, for anybody out there that has this same texture, to, you know, it's just all really interesting. I just find it interesting how my hair just lays straight, like it looks as if I have a relaxer here. And of course, as it grows out and gets longer, it's going to get curly like here. So that's all going to be interesting. I can't wait for that to start happening as well. But yeah, every time I get a haircut, whether it's just a simple trim or a drastic haircut like this, I get really excited, and I like to purchase hair products. And one of the hair products that I was curious on trying was this. I was curious in trying this hair product it's by Tracee Ellis Ross, and this is her company, Pattern, and she has a lot of hair products that are for curly hair. Pattern, and I bought this set at Ulta. This is a styler kit, and I figured this is going to be perfect for me because since I have, a short haircut, I'm really not using a lot of products, so this would be more than enough for me to use for several months and really get to know this product and come over here and tell you guys about it. So that's what I've been doing for the past 2 weeks. I've been using these products. It comes with the curl gel. This is a hydrating mist, styling cream, and a strong hold gel. So all of these products which I think it's really reasonable to really try them out, especially if you have like shorter hair. I mean, this is perfect because a full size would be way too much, because literally with this hair I only use like a dime size of product for all of this hair. So I just wanted to talk a bit on this product. I went into purchasing these products very optimistic because I also like the concept of the products, that they are paraben free, color free as well. And yeah, so those things really attracted me about this, and also that it's promoted to be beneficial to the hair and hydrating, which anybody that has curly hair or wavy hair would know that you don't even have to have, you know, curly hair. Even if you like bleach your hair, you know, you need moisture in your hair. Like, so saying that these products are hydrating for hair, I'm all for that, because yeah, curly hair needs hydration, it needs moisture. And plus, Tracy Ellen Ross has really beautiful curly hair, and so that as well is inspirational to like, yeah, like her hair is really nice, so she must know what she's doing, so I might as well go ahead and try it. Now, all these products say that they have a shelf life of 12 months, which I think is pretty good, it's pretty reasonable. I'm going to talk about the leave-in conditioner first, and this is a smaller size, but the interesting thing about these tubes is that they also, if you like this, you can buy like the big value size jar of leave-in conditioner and just refill it, because they made like the hole really wide so you are able to refill it if you want to. So I find that to be really neat, especially like this, like you know, if you don't want to have like this big jar in your bathroom, you can just have this cute little one and just put away the big jar. Or this would also be good for travel. I've been using this now for 2 weeks and I really like it. It has a smell. It's really fresh and clean smell. It has a really earthy smell to it. Yeah, that's something to consider, but the smell is not, you know, overpowering. For me, it's not overpowering, and it's also not long lasting. So, you know, just a couple of minutes from, you know, putting it on my hair, I noticed like 10-20 minutes later the smell fades away. So that is pretty nice. Now, this is advised to apply on soaking wet hair, and that's usually what I do when I get out of the shower. I apply this. In the directions here, it suggests to, like, if you want extra moisture, to get some jojoba oil and rub that on your head, on your scalp, on your hair, and go in with this as well. And that's usually what I have been doing to, you know, keep my hair very nice and moisturized. And yeah, so this is really nice for me for short hair. Now, if I had long hair, I would also like this as a styling product, because this has some hold. If I had long hair, I would use like a detangling conditioner, you know, just to give me some slip, because we know with long curly hair it gets tangled. So I would not use this to detangle my hair. This would be used to like give like a very light hold on curly hair. And yeah, so I would use this for that. Yeah, now right next to it there's the curl gel, and this is very similar to the leave-in conditioner. The only thing is that this has a little bit more hold than the leave-in conditioner. I find these to be extremely similar, so I just go back and forth with these two. I actually filmed a video here that I'm going to show you where I'm actually using the styling gel. And yeah, So has a light hold. This hold is a little bit stronger. And then there's the other one, the styling cream. Let me show you how they look. I haven't showed you. So this is the leave-in conditioner, and it's like a white conditioner. It's a little bit translucent, and yeah. And this is the curl gel. It's the same as the leave-in conditioner, you guys. Like, it's like a white, translucent-y type of color. It's creamy, it's translucent white, and yeah. I like to use this styling cream to like refresh my curls the next day, because it has just a little bit of extra hold, not too much, it's just a little bit. So I really like that. And then there's the styling cream, which I find it to be pretty similar to these two. The leave-in conditioner and curl gel. The styling cream is like thicker and it has a stronger hold, you know, to style, like styling gel. And it's a thicker cream. It's a lot thicker and it's white. It's not as translucent as the other products. Now this one, the styling cream, I noticed the smell is a little bit more on the floral side, but it still has that like green, fresh smell to it. I really like it. It doesn't bother me. This I like to use, you know, as a gel as well. This, for me, it works really nice as well as a, you know, refresher to refresh my curls the next day. This works very well. Even if I want to create like my edges, just lay them down a little bit and make them look like pretty natural, I can use this and get away with it. Now, last but definitely not least, when it comes to the styling gels, is this gel called Stronghold. This one's interesting because this one's clear. You know, it's not like the other three products that I showed you. It's a gel, really. Now this, it says, you know, apply on wet or dry hair and style into sleek looks. Now that is kind of an issue for me when it says you can do like a sleek look with this, because I tried using this, to lay down my edges. In the middle of the day, when I looked at myself in the mirror, I noticed like flakes and like stuff on my hair, and I was like, oh my god, like what is this? Because I looked like I had dandruff, and I remembered that I used this. So this was a big disappointment for me, was that it flakes. So I don't think it would work that well when you want to do like slit backs, because then it's going to flake. I think this would work better on wet hair, and also if you use a little bit of it, because if you use too much, it's going to flake and it's going to make the hair look as if you have dandruff. No, with this one, I'm still gonna use it because I have it, and you know, I can still, you know, use it as a styler to, you know, I'll apply like my detangling conditioner and then use a little bit of this as a styling product. I really don't see myself repurchasing this, you know, because the full size of this, it is pretty pricey, and I think for the price, it should not flake. It should be like multi-purpose, perfect, because there's other gels out there that are a fraction of the cost and you don't have that issue of flaking on you. So yeah, even though the ingredients are really good and beneficial for the hair, the fact that it flakes, it's a no-go for me. If I don't consider that to be like luxury, because these hair products are pretty pricey. You know, they're not cheap. This is a little, this set cost me $30 at Ulta. I don't know, with the price increase that's happening so often lately, it might be more by now, but when I got it 2 weeks ago, it was $30. And these are little small travel size of product. Now, if I were to get the full size, it would be more expensive. And for that reason, I don't see myself purchasing this. I feel like if I'm going to be purchasing this full price, it should be something that does not flake. That it should be a gel that is workforce and can do it all, you know. But these other three hairstyling products, these other three are good. I really like them. I do see myself repurchasing these three. All three are good. Now, last but not least, this is a spray, a hydrating spray, and this is advised to spray to rehydrate the hair. You know, if the middle of the day or the next day you see that your hair is a little dull and you need a little, you know, freshen up, you know, this is advised to, you know, spray it on, and it's going to hydrate the hair and make it look nice and pop and everything. And it really does do that. I have used this as, you know, for next day to refresh my curls. I spray it on and, you know, it refreshes my curls and makes them look nice again. But is it really necessary? Like, I don't really think so, because I can get the same effect as this using any of these three products. I can get the same effect as this. Like, I can just, you know, spray my hair with water and then add a little bit of this, rub a little bit of this on my hand, and I'm going to get the same effect as this. So for that reason, I don't find this to be really necessary. This is more like, I would say this would be good for somebody that's traveling and they are scarce for water. There's not a lot of water, and, you know, water is kind of limited. Something like this would be good, you know, if you're like in an airplane and you want to freshen up your curls and, you know, you don't have time to, you know, go to the bathroom and use some water to do that. You can just, you know, in your seat, just spray your curls with this and freshen up your curls and look good. So for that reason, I think this would be great for like travel. But for everyday use, freshen up, I don't see that it's really needed. It's okay, it's not bad, but it's not like, oh my god, I need to run and get it. And yeah, I ended up liking two products from the kit: the curl gel, the styling cream, the stronghold, and the hydrating mist. These four were on the styling kit for $30 at Ulta. I purchased the leave-in conditioner separately because I was curious to try this, because it was like one of the most popular things that Pattern has in their line, so I was curious to try this. But overall, when it comes to this styling kit, I ended up liking like 50% of the things in here. Like, two of the products I like, the other two not so much. It's okay. The curl gel and the styling cream, I do see myself repurchasing those two. Now, the stronghold and the hydrating mist, not so much. So, and as far as the leave-in conditioner, I do see myself repurchasing that in the future. I think the leave-in conditioner, it's going to look really nice on long curly hair. I think it would give a very natural look. That concludes my review on the Pattern hair products. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye.